What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's your boy Ed, and today we're gonna be repairing the wire on the U-bars headlights, because when I took it to get it painted, that guy cut the wires for the parking lamp and he put on some electrical tape, and I kind of didn't like that, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna be adding the daylight running lights and the reverse lights, which are LEDs. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so these are the lights. I got them at super bright LEDs. I guess the back ones and the reverse lights and the daylight running lights are the same. You guys can see the number. They're all the same. And this is my my info, and they give you a little sticker, so you know, you guys can show off where you got your lights. And this is the butt connector I'm gonna be using. These are, I barely found out about these, so they told me they're pretty good. It's a shrink wrap, and then it's solder right here. So with the low temperature heat gun, it can solder the solder inside here and melt into the wires, so it's a tight fit, and water resistance also. So I'm gonna try these out. So time to repair those lights. Alright, guys, so here's how he left he did the things. He just basically wrapped these together and put electrical tape. He did this on both of them, so that's what I didn't really like. So right now I'm gonna be using the butt connectors and showing you guys how easy it is, and so you guys can do any wiring together like that or something if you guys need to do that, and try them out. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so here's the already finished. As you guys can see, it did a pretty good job, and it's like super tight. You guys can see it. I'm gonna pull them off, but it's really soldered in there, and plus a shrink wrap, which is, I think it's pretty nice. You don't have to be in a mess right there with the little solder gun and stuff like that. So I think this is like a pretty good thing they invented, which is nice and tight, and nice solder. So plus no water can get in there. So that's like basically it. Super easy, not that hard. It's like less than 3 minutes, and if you have a good heat gun, you can do this in like 3 minutes, or let it warm up a little bit, and you guys can use it. And it's so simple. You guys saw that. So now we're gonna install the daylight running lights. So let's see how they look. So I have a little problem. The lights aren't working. I don't know if it's the wires or the bulbs, but I doubt it will be the bulbs. So it might be the wires or a little fuse, but I'm gonna have to check that out because they're not working at all. They were working when, before I had changed these headlights. So I'm gonna try to see what's going on. But other than that, I'm gonna install the reverse lights, and hopefully those should be working. And then I'll show you what was the problem, or if I even do the problem, or if I just leave them out for now. But let's get the reverse lights. What's up, guys? It's nighttime, so I'm gonna show you guys the reverse lights. Check these out. They are super bright, so my camera barely gets it. Well, they should be getting it from here. Should be getting it, and like exposing everything. Look at that. That's how bright they are. They are still bright. I'm like across the street. Look at that. There's the other car parked. They are pretty bright. But yeah, no brake light, no nothing. Car's off with the reverse engage. So if you want to get bright reverse lights, I recommend these ones. Look at that. That's my Honda Civic SI, and it's like lighting a little bit right there and a little bit over there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Subscribe, like, share, and I recommend these lights, so you should get them too. So that's pretty much it. Peace.